Hi, I would like to share with you like whenever any conflict which is happening in my life or like any like negative things which is happening in my life, if I want to turn it into the positive things, I always use this hope no technique, which is always keep on chanting this. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. I'll be keep on chanting these four statements continuously so that that negative frequency will go away from me. I remember while I was working in a hospital, like if there is any baby comes, okay, if, at night time the baby usually comes and baby will be keep on crying. I'll be used to give the medicine, but in order to decrease the crying and all, like I'll be keep on chanting this hope no chanting these four statements I will be keep on chanting inside me. Okay, you know what, in just 5 minutes the baby stops crying and baby will settle and everyone will be happy. So whenever I have this negative situation, I always do this powerful technique. If you want to really learn this technique, you can click on the link and join for the webinar, and you can able to know what is the technique, and you can able to practice in your life too.